Oh. Look at it.
Whatever.
Like a
facility.
or something.
I think I'm gonna make sense.
Mess. I try to make it all big, like.
All right. We've got other gems in the system too, but that's okay. Yeah, let's just dump some more in.
A little issue over here too.
A little vibration on it might help. All right, that's fine. I just think as it's going in, maybe we can tap on it. More, more, a lot more. Pour it on. See what happens. There we go. Shaking here. Fluid dynamics.
More?
Yeah, more. Let's do a little more. Just pour a bunch on it. See what happens. And we can shake it through. Trying not to get them to jump out the bottom. So what do we think we're seeing here right now? We're going to be seeing a couple different things actually. One of which is just the effect the hole sizes are probably different and the alignments are a little different. So there's going to be some error, right?
A lot of error.
A lot of error. Maybe so much error that we don't get to see what happens.
This looks like there's a pretty big pile up in the, not exactly in the center, but unless I'm seeing it the wrong way, but sort of towards the center.
Yeah, well let's. Yeah, I mean there's some bias to one side here, right? Because we're not getting as much on this side as that side. And we would expect, I mean, in something like this where it's mechanical and there's all sorts of different error, like if you made this 700 levels, the bias would still happen because anything at the top is going to be magnified. So if you poured them all, for example, into this side, if there was a bias in pouring them towards this side, everything will pile up on one side. And probably when you were pouring it, there was a bias less to this side. So because I'm seeing more that way than this way. And that could happen a number of different ways, but it's probably not a fundamental property. It's probably a property of how you pour it, that sort of thing. So the randomness isn't going to eliminate that. If you start biased towards the left, everything is going to end up on the left. And just the same way you can program your quincunx that way. If you have the first peg biased in a certain direction, your pile can never recover from that, right?